Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got low clouds and a few light rain showers occurring here in the area this morning, left over from a pretty strong area of low pressure that has been moving through the Wallops region. We saw pretty high rain amounts throughout the area overnight last night, picking up about 6.5 here at Wallops over the last 24 hours. See some areas getting over an inch of rain. Pax River coming in with 1.05 inches. Baltimore coming in with 1.18 inches of precipitation over the last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., you see the temperatures generally running in the 50s, 54 degrees with light rain falling here at Wallops. And then as we look across the region, everybody else remaining in the 50s and 60s, low 60s over in the Tidewater region. You can see 60 degrees under cloudy skies at Salisbury this morning as of 9 a.m. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, you see those winds generally out of a south direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. 1,000-foot level showing winds at 38 knots. And then as we go up in height, they increase as we see at the 25,000-foot level, those winds out of a south direction at 93 knots. Freezing level this morning was at 12,700 feet. Taking a look at our infrared satellite, you can see a lot of cloudiness associated with this storm system. Most of the convective showers that were along the southeastern United States have pushed off to the northeast. Some of the heavier rain showers that we got overnight last night associated with some of those cooler cloud tops pushing off to the northeast and out of our area currently. You can see here the back edge of this storm will be rotating through as we go through the afternoon and evening hours tonight. And overnight tonight, could even see a little bit of a rain shower from the front that moves through our region overnight. But as you can see, the first part of this system is pulling out off to the northeast, and as a result, we're just going to be left with some light rain and drizzle activity for the remainder of the day. And then again, we could see a little bit more of a heavier shower potentially overnight tonight, but most of our rain has come to an end with just light rain remaining in the forecast for today. So looking at the current surface analysis, you can see that center of low pressure located in western South Carolina and North Carolina still will be making its way over toward the northeast United States as we go through the day today. That's going to provide us with plenty of cloudiness, and those low clouds will be hard to erode away as we go into the afternoon today. Again, drizzle activity should be pretty common as we go throughout the morning and afternoon hours today. So we look at the forecast maps and what we can expect over the next couple of days. As you see that one area of low pressure quickly moves off to the northeast. That frontal boundary I was referring to earlier will cross late tonight after midnight. A few light showers will be possible after midnight tonight as that front moves through. We'll also see our winds turn from a southerly direction to a westerly direction, becoming gusty at times overnight tonight into the day on Saturday. And as you can see, as that front moves off the coast, we'll still see windy conditions remaining for us during the day on Saturday, as we'll see a cooler air mass begin to move its way into the region, but still looking at temperatures just a little bit above normal for us in our area as we go into the day tomorrow, as temperatures still likely to get into the 50s for daytime highs. As we go into Saturday night, the winds will start to die down a bit. We'll see some cool temperatures for Saturday night into Sunday morning, likely seeing that freezing mark flirted with our overnight low temperature during the Saturday night, Sunday morning time frame. And then as we go into Saturday evening, we'll see another weak disturbance move through the region. I think we'll likely just see mostly an increase in our cloudiness. Most of this precipitation should dry up as it moves toward the east coast. Could possibly see a slight chance of a light rain shower Sunday evening, but more than likely we'll just see a increase in cloudiness as a result. So looking at our forecast model here for the next couple of days, you can see morning hours, the bulk of that precipitation moves off the coast. You can see here the model still putting out some light rain activity potentially during the afternoon. I think most of that will be in the form of some mist or drizzle with the low clouds continuing into the area. And then as we go into the overnight hour, that cold front that I spoke of earlier will be pushing toward the east coast. Could see a light rain shower or two after midnight tonight. And then that will quickly move off the coast, and we'll see our clouds begin to decrease as we go into the Saturday morning time frame. Should see abundant sunshine by the time Saturday afternoon rolls along. as we'll see high pressure begin to settle into our area. So taking a look at the next 24 hours, again, most of our rain activity will be coming to an end as we go through the morning hours here. In the afternoon, just a few lingering light rain showers, possibly some drizzle left over for Friday afternoon. And our temperatures, again, very mild for this time of year. We average about 47 degrees for our average high temperature, and we'll be around 60 degrees today, and possibly get into the 50s once again for tomorrow. So really no cold air in forecast for us, as we'll see temperatures at or above normal as we go through the next several days, and really no cold snaps to speak of for the extended forecast here as we go through the end of December. So looking at the forecast for Saturday, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies during the morning, skies becoming mostly sunny during the afternoon. Again, that front will create some pretty windy conditions for us as it passes through overnight tonight into Saturday. Should see those winds over 25 knots, and having the winds continuing into the overnight hours tonight into the day tomorrow out of the west, pretty gusty at times, possibly up to around 25 to 30 knots. As we go into Saturday evening, we'll see mostly clear and chilly conditions with a low of 34. And then for Sunday, we'll see partly cloudy skies, becoming mostly cloudy during the evening as that disturbance swings through the area. Again, a very slight chance of precipitation. Looks to be less than a 15% chance of seeing any light rain for Sunday evening, but should see an increase in cloudiness with those skies becoming mostly cloudy by Sunday evening. So as we look at our forecast here for the next 7 days, looking at, again, mild conditions, temperatures at or above normal for the extended forecast. As we go into next week, we'll see temperatures generally right around the mid to upper 40s for Christmas, as you see there on Tuesday. Expecting partly cloudy skies with a high of 47 degrees. Overnight lows in the low 30s, so pretty normal temperatures for this time of year. And we'll continue to see dry weather after this event that we're experiencing now for Friday. From the weekend on into the middle of next week, we'll see dry conditions. Then our next chance of rain likely not until late Thursday as our next system approaches the Wallops region. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. Hope everybody has a nice weekend, and we will see you back here Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.